Hi! In front of me is tablet NAVITEL T787 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and click on About Tablet. Following that, tap on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, click on OK. Lastly, select OK in Device Name pop-up, and after that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!